Recessive alleles A, B, C, D, E, and F are known to be in the region, but their order is unknown. Table above shows the results obtained when deletions are combined with each allele. A minus sign indicates that the deletion is missing the corresponding wild-type allele, and a plus sign indicates that the corresponding wild-type allele is still present. What is the order of the genes?
So this right here shows the 6 bands and salivary gland chromosome of Drosophila. Right below it are the deletion markings that correspond with it. The table on the right shows the recessive alleles A, B, C, D, E, and F that go with each deletion, and we have to figure out which strand each letter corresponds with.
So we are first going to focus on band 1. In band 1, there is a marking in deletion 1, and that is represented by a minus sign. In deletions 2 through 5, we see that there is no markings, and those are represented by plus signs. And if we look over at the table, that corresponds to B, because it is minus, plus, 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 plus. And next we're going to focus on band number 2. In band number 2, there is a marking in deletions 1, 2, and 3, and no markings in deletions 4 and 5. So that will be represented by minus, 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 plus, plus. And that will correspond to letter A. In band number 3, there is a marking in deletions 1 through 4. And that will be represented by minus, 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 and plus because there's no marking in deletion 5. In band number 4, we can see that there are no markings in deletions 1 and 2, so those will be represented by plus signs. In deletions 3 through 5, there are markings, so those will be represented by minus signs. And that will correspond to letter E in the table. In band 5, we can see that there are no markings in deletions 1 through 3, so those will all be represented by plus signs. And in deletions 4 and 5, there are markings, so those will be minuses. And that will correspond to letter D in the chart. And on band 6, we can see that deletions 1 through 4, there are no markings, so that will all be represented by plus signs. And in deletion 5, there is a marking, so that will be a minus sign, and that will correspond to letter F in the chart. So the order of the bands are B, A, C, E, D, and F. Thanks for watching.